I may as well get a video out of this while I'm dealing with this. So you see, one of my wipers is not moving. I popped the wiper cap off with just a clip remover, and you need 15 millimeter. And as you see, it's spinning, but for some reason it's not taking the arm with it. If I do that, you see, it's spinning, but not. So I guess I just have to tighten it down, but we'll see. Look, y'all, this thing was so loose. I can take it off by hand. Why is it so loose? So we definitely gotta fix that. So it's that loose. So we definitely gotta fix that. All right, and I found the problem. As you can see, there was some type of grinding going on. I could hear it when I was in the car when I turned the wipers on, and it was grinding because this part wasn't on there correctly. I don't know why, but when you install it, see, when you install it like this, you see how it like goes in at an angle and it has some ply? It's because of this arm right here. So I guess you have to install it with this arm out like this so it goes on without any pushback. So it goes on more straight like that. And I think that's the fix. See, I can't turn it anymore. I want it in there nice and snug. I'm not putting no grease on there. Get in it nice and snug. We're gonna put the cap back on. Lower this. It's probably not in the right position now. Crap. I started in the wrong position, so I'm actually gonna have to undo all that. Alright, moment of truth. I don't like how close that blade gets to the edge. Let's see. It's going right up to it, but I don't think it's touching. I still hear that grinding sound.